today we've got Boxer the robot. So here he is. Look, so he is off right now, but look, he's got these little like eye things that like turn left and right. All right then, so let's get him open. So thank you to Spinmaster for sending us Boxer.
This is Boxer. Do you want to do the honours and turn him on, Oscar?
Yes, please. Pop. So here you go, Boxer is now on.
Aww.
Here is Boxer, and he has like sensors, so you can like make him like move forward and backwards with your hand.
Yeah, he can follow hand gestures, can't he?
Yep. Ooh.
What happens if you pick him up?
There you go. Oh, he thinks he's upside down. He's shaking. Shake him! And put him back down. He's all dizzy. Whoa! He was going like super fast every time he pukes. So you can put him forward and he will notice and get up.
Wow.
You can also put him backwards and the same will happen.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Hi, Boxer. Here he is.
Oh, he farted. He's doing a wheelie. Whoa. So you have some scannable cards which make him do some like cool things like football. I think there's like a go-kart mode. There is a controller to Boxer as well. So you can like move him around with it like this. Look. Woo. Pull him backwards. Whoa. Whoa, so cool. So guys, we have some activity cards here. Boxer can scan them and then he'll play some kind of like games. There's like go-karts, there's football, there's like tons of different things. There's 10 in all. So let's open up these activity cards. Alright then guys, so it looks like there's a football one. There is also a slingshot one. Dance party.
Should we do that one? Should we try dance party?
Oh yeah, let's try dance party.
Okay.
So, how do you scan one of these cards,
So
Mummy?
pop the card down and then you want to line Boxer up. So you want to press the button on the back of him once he's on. There's a button on the back.
Yep, this one.
And then you line him up with his wheels in these white bits.
Here you go.
Okay. So now he's in the right game mode.
Alright. Oh. Whoa. Oh, he keeps falling. Oh, he's going again.
Oh. He's crazy.
Yeah. Awesome.
Should we try him in soccer mode?
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's scan the football now. There you go.
Okay, and he comes with this little football as well.
Yep. That was awesome! Go! Bam! Oh yeah! See if we can do it again. Whoa, it's too busy celebrating. Whoa.
I love his little, yeah.
Yeah. Whoa.
He's so good, isn't he?
Yeah. Let's try DJ.
Cool. So there's loads of these guys, and
Yeah.
also there's an app for Boxer as well. What's your favourite mode?
I think my favourite mode is soccer.
Do you want to play Paddlebot?
Oh yeah, I want to play Paddlebot.
Okay.
Boxer, it's time to play Paddlebot.
Right, you have to bot him this way.
This is fun. Ooh, he's going a bit crazy. Whoa. Can't beat me at Paddlebot. I'm the best Paddlebot player. Alright guys, so let's try fortune teller.
So you ask him a question and then you shake him.
Am I cool? What?
You're not cool. Ask Boxer if he's cool.
Okay. Oops, got to say. Are you cool?
So he's cool, but you're not.
Okay, guys, we're going to leave it there because this thing does so many cool things that we can't fit it all in one video. So we will see you soon, guys. Bye!